Nausea, the uncomfortable, queasy feeling that can strike at any time, leaving you feeling miserable and helpless. Whether you're experiencing nausea due to pregnancy, medication, or a stomach bug, it's essential to know how to relieve it and get back to feeling your best. In this video, we'll explore 10 effective tips to help you alleviate nausea and regain your comfort. Tip number 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make nausea worse, so it's important to keep drinking fluids. When your body is dehydrated, it can send signals to your brain that exacerbate feelings of nausea. Sipping small amounts of water, clear broths, or herbal teas throughout the day can help keep you hydrated without overwhelming your stomach. If plain water is hard to keep down, try drinking sports drinks that contain electrolytes, which can help balance your body's hydration levels and provide essential nutrients. It's important to note that sugary or caffeinated drinks should be avoided, as they can sometimes make nausea worse by irritating your stomach or causing dehydration. Tips: sip slowly, don't gulp, to prevent further stomach upset. Avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks, as they can sometimes make nausea worse by irritating your stomach lining. Tip number 2. Eat small, frequent meals. Eating large meals can make you feel more nauseous because a full stomach can increase feelings of discomfort and bloating. Instead, try eating small amounts of food more frequently throughout the day. This approach can help maintain your energy levels and keep your stomach from becoming too empty, which can also trigger nausea. Bland foods are usually the best choice when you're feeling nauseous because they are easy to digest and unlikely to irritate your stomach. Examples of such foods include crackers, toast, rice, bananas, and applesauce. Suggestions: crackers are easy to digest and can help absorb stomach acids. Toast is bland and provides carbohydrates without overwhelming your stomach. Rice is gentle on the stomach and can help provide energy. Bananas are easy to digest and contain potassium, which can help balance electrolytes. Applesauce is mild and easy to digest, offering a bit of sweetness without being too heavy. Tip number 3. Avoid strong smells. Strong odors can trigger or worsen nausea, particularly if you are sensitive to smells. This can be a challenge in environments where you are exposed to cooking or strong-smelling foods. Try to avoid cooking or being around strong-smelling foods as much as possible. If you need to prepare food, opt for recipes with mild scents and avoid frying or using strong spices. Ventilate your space by opening windows or using a fan to help disperse any lingering smells. In some cases, wearing a mask or using a scented handkerchief with a soothing fragrance, like lavender or peppermint, can help counteract unpleasant smells. Tip number 4. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-nausea properties and has been used for centuries as a remedy for digestive issues. You can consume ginger in various forms, such as ginger tea, ginger ale, ginger candies, or fresh ginger slices. The active compounds in ginger, including gingerol and shogal, help relax the gastrointestinal tract and reduce nausea. Ginger can also help improve digestion and reduce inflammation, which can further alleviate symptoms. How to use: drink ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water for a soothing, warm beverage. Chew on a small piece of fresh ginger or a ginger candy for quick relief on the go. Add grated ginger to soups or smoothies to incorporate its benefits into your meals. Tip number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is another natural remedy that can help soothe nausea. The menthol in peppermint has a calming effect on the stomach muscles and can reduce the feeling of nausea. Peppermint tea or sucking on peppermint candies can provide relief by relaxing the digestive tract and alleviating symptoms. Peppermint oil can also be used for aromatherapy by adding a few drops to a diffuser or applying it to a handkerchief and inhaling the scent. The refreshing aroma and cooling sensation of peppermint can help distract from the feeling of nausea and provide a sense of relief. How to use: Drink peppermint tea by steeping peppermint leaves in hot water for a calming, refreshing beverage. Suck on peppermint candies or chew peppermint gum to alleviate nausea quickly and discreetly. Use peppermint oil in a diffuser or apply it to a handkerchief for aromatherapy benefits. Tip number 6. Acupressure. Applying pressure to certain points on your body can help reduce nausea through the practice of acupressure. One of the most well-known points is the P6 point, located on your inner wrist. This technique involves using your fingers to apply gentle pressure to specific points on your body, which can help stimulate nerves and improve blood flow, reducing nausea. Acupressure can be an effective and non-invasive way to manage nausea, especially if you're looking for a natural remedy without the use of medications. How to do it? Use your thumb and index finger to press on the P6 point, located about 3 finger widths below the base of your palm on the inner wrist. Apply gentle pressure for a few minutes, then switch wrists and repeat as needed. Consider using acupressure wristbands, which are designed to apply consistent pressure to the P6 point. Tip number 7. Get fresh air. Sometimes just getting outside for a breath of fresh air can help alleviate nausea. Fresh air can help clear your mind, reduce stress, and provide a distraction from the sensation of nausea. If you can't go outside, try sitting by an open window or using a fan to circulate air in the room. Fresh air can also help reduce exposure to indoor odors and improve overall ventilation, making you feel more comfortable. Taking a short walk outside can also help improve circulation and digestion, further reducing feelings of nausea. Tip number 8. Rest and relax. Stress and fatigue can worsen nausea, so it's important to rest and relax. Finding a quiet, comfortable space to lie down and focus on breathing slowly and deeply can help calm your mind and body. Elevate your head with pillows to reduce the risk of stomach acids moving upwards, which can exacerbate nausea. Listening to calming music or nature sounds can also help create a relaxing environment and distract you from the sensation of nausea. Practicing mindfulness or gentle yoga can further promote relaxation and help manage stress, contributing to overall relief from nausea. Tips. Elevate your head with pillows to keep stomach acids from moving upwards. Listen to calming music or nature sounds to help you relax and distract from nausea. Practice mindfulness or gentle yoga to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Tip number 9. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods can make nausea worse, especially if they are greasy, spicy, or overly sweet. These types of foods can irritate your stomach and increase feelings of discomfort. Stick to bland, easy-to-digest foods until your nausea subsides. Avoiding heavy, rich foods can help reduce the workload on your digestive system and prevent further irritation. Pay attention to your body's signals and avoid any foods that seem to trigger or worsen your nausea. Tip number 10. Stay upright. After eating, try to stay in an upright position for at least 30 minutes to help prevent nausea. Lying down immediately after eating can cause stomach acids to move upwards, which can increase nausea and discomfort. Sitting up or reclining with your head elevated can help keep stomach contents where they belong and reduce the risk of acid reflux. Avoiding vigorous activity after eating can also help prevent nausea by allowing your body to focus on digestion without additional stress. Tips. Sit up or recline with your head elevated for at least 30 minutes after eating. Avoid vigorous activity after eating to allow your body to focus on digestion. Consider using a wedge pillow to maintain an elevated position while resting. When to see a doctor. Seek medical attention if your nausea is severe, persistent, or accompanied by other symptoms. Persistent nausea can be a sign of an underlying condition that requires treatment. Don't hesitate to consult your doctor. And there you have it, 10 tips to help relieve nausea. If you have any other tips or remedies that work for you, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and take care.